So John's getting a sprint booster. John's gonna have a sprint booster. Follow his Instagram. Is your key in the car?
Huh?
The lights on or something?
What? No.
Oh,
This is the key.
It's like, what was that noise? So everybody asking how hard it is to put these in.
Want me to hold it for you?
The night gen. No, I got it. I can always like edit it out in post.
That's it?
Yeah. This is it. This is all that's going in there. It's a little go-between to the gas pedal. And the gas pedal, if I can get my old ass in here, is right, oh god, it's right here. So we're just gonna unplug that. Plug that end in. So uncomfortable. It's really a pain in the ass to do one hand. Plug that in. Oh Lord, what are we doing? Get out of that. Still recording? Okay. Yep, and that's it in. And I'll just plug in the controller real quick. And we're back. It's done. It's in. That's it. For the magic of a TV. You want to go for a test drive?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you hit the silver button, see how it switches to red?
Right now it's off.
Okay, that's off. That's sport. Then that's race. And you can adjust it from 1 to 9 as far as like sensitivity. The higher the number is, the touchier it gets.
Ooh.
So, fuck it, just put in a red 9.
Alright, hold on. Oh man. More space.
Yeah.
I can already feel it. Oh shit. What the fuck?
John got a race car.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, see what I mean? Everybody's all like, it's bullshit. And then I put it in their car and they're like, oh, it works.
I know. I was like, damn. To be honest, at first I was like, do I really want to spend money on
This
this?
motherfucker's selling me a dream.
I know. I was like, man.
I was like, I legit have it in my car for a reason.
I know. I'm sorry. Oh, man. The response now?
Yeah, there's no lag in it anymore.
Now I gotta like make sure. I don't know how to drive this car now.
Well, I mean, that's set all the way up high. So like you could just like bump into that right before you're about to run somebody, or I mean, you can get used to it too.
What about, you said it has sport mode, right?
Yeah, if you click the silver button and put it in green, and then
It's just 30%?
yeah, I think it's like 30% responsive, and then race is like 60.
Okay, well, let's try the race for now.
Well, yeah, I like literally brake boost easier off that. So it's just a quick tap the brake, tap the gas, and I'm building boost off the brake.
Oh, goodbye gas mileage.
Well, no, you can always put it in sport when you're just driving around.
Alright, that shit works, bro. Yep.
See, your little friends just didn't want you to buy it.
Now, make sure you buy one, man. Dude, that's crazy. Alright, now I love this car again.
No, it's like, it's a fucking, literally, it's like a night and day difference.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell motherfucking yeah. Oh, sorry. Not supposed to curse that, right?
I don't care, I curse on my videos all the time.
Dude, what the? Alright, I'm speechless, bro. Thank you. Thank you.